This video tutorial I will explain what is Maven. Maven is a powerful tool which is used in software development, especially for the projects written in programming languages like Java. Maven helps to manage various aspects of project such as building, testing and organizing code libraries, which is also known as dependencies. We can think of Maven as a kind of assistant that takes care of a lot of behind the scenes work and making it easier for developers to focus on writing the code. Now we will see the key concepts of Maven. The first point is project structure. In software development, a project is organized into a specific structure with source code, configuration files, and other resources. And Maven follows a standard project structure which makes it easier to collaborate with others and follow the best practices. The second point is POM. POM is nothing but Project Object Model. The heart of the Maven project is the POM file. It is an XML file named pom.xml and it contains all the project's information like name, version, description and most importantly its dependencies. Third point is dependencies. A dependency is an external library or module that your project relies on. Maven makes it simple to manage these dependencies by specifying them in the POM file. When you build your project, Maven automatically downloads the required dependencies from the repositories, which is nothing but online storage, and adds them to your project. Fourth point is build lifecycle. Maven defines a set of build phases that guide the process of building and managing a project. The most common phases are clean, compile, test, package, install and deploy. Each phase executes a series of goals, which are specific tasks that needs to be performed. Fifth point is plugins. Plugins are like specialized tools that can be integrated into the build process. They help to perform various tasks like compiling code, running tests, generating documentation and more. Maven has wide range of plugins available that can be customized to suit to your project needs. Sixth point is repositories. Maven uses repositories to store and manage dependencies. Repositories can be a local, which is nothing but on your computer, and repositories can be a remote, which is nothing but online repositories like Maven Central or even custom repositories we can set up. When you specify the dependencies in your pom.xml file, Maven searches these repositories to find and download the required libraries. Seventh point is goals. As mentioned earlier, goals are specific tasks that are executed during the build phase. For instance, during the compile phase, the compile goal compiles your source code and you can trigger these goals directly using the command line. Eighth point is command line. To interact with the Maven, you use command line interface. You navigate to your project's directory and run commands like mvn clean install. This tells Maven to clean the previous build, compile the source code, run test and create an installable package. In summary, Maven is a tool that simplifies the process of building, testing and managing software projects by automating many common tasks and providing a standardized way of organizing projects. Maven helps developers to work more efficiently and collaborate seamlessly. As you delve deeper into software development, you will likely to find Maven to be an essential part of your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.